Another wonderful, wonderful, quick and easy appetizer using tomatoes. And I have made tomato tarts for y'all and share with y'all a recipe, but this one's a little different. We've got our puff pastry, and I'm going to be using a 3-inch biscuit cutter. And I'm putting them on parchment paper because these are going to go in the oven naturally. That's what you do with puff pastry. And I'm probably going to make about 9 with this sheet of puff. All right, so now I'm going to brush them with a little bit of olive oil. And then I'm going to sprinkle these with fresh grated Parmesan cheese. Like a 1/2 teaspoon a piece. Yep, that's a 1/2 teaspoon. There we go, kind of spread it around. This is almost going to be like a pizza, y'all know it. Looks delicious already. Because I know what we're going to end up with, and it's going to be really good. Okie doke. Now we're going to put these in the oven, and we're going to bake them for 5 minutes. And then we're going to take them out, and we're going to cover each puff pastry with mozzarella, basil, and a tomato slice. All right. So I forgot to tell y'all a step before we put them in the oven for that 5 minutes is make sure you take a fork and prick them so they'll go down and we'll be able to hold the tomatoes. So we're going to put a tomato on top of each puff pastry. And we're using a plum tomato for this because the plum tomatoes are just like a perfect size. All right, so I'm 1 tomato short. And Teresa just told me we don't have any more plums. All right, so now I'm going to take a little salt and just dust them with a little salt, a little pepper.
These are like little mini caprices, aren't they?
Yeah, very much. Yeah, very much like that. All right, so now we're going to top each with a slice of mozzarella. And try to get that mozzarella just as thin sliced as you can. I think we're going to have to just eat that one plain. All right, now we're going to top each one with a fresh basil leaf. And then we're going to put them back in the oven, y'all, for 10 more minutes. What a wonderful summer little appetizer, and they're not hard to do at all. Not at all. All right, so I'm going to take that one off. That lone soldier. So back in they go for 10 minutes, y'all. And it's going to be a beautiful little delicious appetizer. People will eat these up.
To include us.
So delicious. I don't think you have to be Italian to love these. Do you?
No.
Well, y'all like one. Hey, would y'all like?
I'm
I'm standing up here Hogging it all. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. I love fresh mozzarella. I love it on my pizzas.
Another thing the boys are never going to see. Oh well.
They're having fun though. Their mother pulled out, Michelle pulled out the kayaks. So they're out there kayaking. What they don't know won't hurt them. Enjoy the summer, y'all. And enjoy these quick, easy recipes. Mm. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.